Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of the Verizon iPhone 7 IMEI repair, in which we're just going to recopy this same IMEI. We're going to go back over here to our Page Plus system. We just need to kind of refresh things real quickly. I'm just going to repaste the same IMEI, in which you can see this is the same IMEI. This time it should say something different this time. I'm just running the validation. Congratulations, true, and true. Because at first you seen the fraud frozen, but now this time it says true on both ends. True for activation. It's not going to refresh out in Swappa for about 24 hours, so we're going to have to make a part 3 to show about the Swappa right there. But for the most part, it's definitely all set. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.